Check this out, folks. Can't get any better than this.
I want to get back here so I don't get hit. That's a rolling cloud. Oh, I got it.
Well, I figured you already did.
I need help.
7:30 p.m. Repeating, the tornado warning has been allowed to expire for the following counties.
Okay. I'm watching that one right there. I'm watching that right there.
I got pictures of both hazards.
Alright, good. You should sit in the car.
Right here, I got rotation, guys, right here.
Like I told you. Wayne is traveling pretty fast. Look over here. Hey, over there. Right there.
Yep. Yeah. This is what we got to worry about.
Yeah, and it's traveling about 50 miles an hour, Wayne, so...
We're not in a worry right now.
Look at that. Look how fast...
That's what we have to worry about. Look at this right here, Tim. Right down here. Nice. Yeah. Well, we got hail. East side.
All right, let's go, Wayne.
Yeah, we got
Let's go.